Hello everybody, I'm officially in the car and it is 6:48 a.m. I'm currently on the way to my morning class, which I'm glad I actually took morning classes and that I only made my schedule 2 days a week this semester because it feels ideal. It feels like I'm actually able to have time for myself on like Monday and Wednesday. I don't know, like this semester is giving school to life balance. I didn't have that before. I did not. I'm gonna be real. I was just a student. And I just feel like this semester I'm able to be a student and person, a student and Naiya, a student and a mom. And I really love that because I've been wanting to have time for myself and I think I'm able to develop it. And I'm so happy because I'm excited to see what I do with my free time. Don't know what free time's like. I'm just kidding. But yeah, I thought going to classes back to back would drain me, but honestly, it's not bad. Like, classes aren't that long in a way. Like, it's an hour and 20-ish minutes, hour and 30 minutes. Honestly, I had some classes that were 2 to 3 hours, so I'm thankful for that, which might be the reason why it feels more like a breeze. I definitely think I'm gonna do well this semester. This weekend is kind of gonna be me getting myself together. And yeah, I'm just on the way. I'm driving an hour and 20 minutes to school. I feel like that's another reason why I'm so thankful that I'm only doing Tuesday and Thursday this semester. Gas, time, and money. You know, I drive from where I live to another city every single day, and that costs. But yeah, this is me early in the morning. My bodysuit, I'm wearing sweatpants. I really am a sweatpants girly. Like, I need to buy more sweatpants. But yeah, I'm kind of tired, but I'm not that tired. Like, I'm not tired in the point of like, oh, I can't go to class. I'm more tired in the sense of like, it's early in the morning still. But yeah, see you guys when I get to school. I already ate and today's gonna be my second day of classes. Honestly, y'all, this is why it's so important to leave early when you're a commuter, because the unexpected be happening. Like right now I'm stuck in traffic, it's raining, but because I leave so early, I'm still gonna make it to school on time, so thank the Lord. Okay everybody, so I'm in CVS to get a notebook because one of my classes, real estate transactions, she does not allow for electronics or a computer or an iPad or anything like that, so I'm gonna go get a notebook right now. I need to get a phone case for my phone. I just got a new one the other day with Apple Care and I just dropped it twice and I'm not feeling that. I need to get a case and a screen protector immediately. But I'm in CVS right now, about 30 minutes before class, to get me a little notebook so that I could take notes today and be prepared. Oh, and I found them. It's crazy because I have some at home and I gotta buy one right now. Oh, $1. We'll definitely do the $1 one. Should we do yellow? Let's do yellow. Makes me feel like happy vibes. School supplies. Okay guys, so we made it to the study room for my second class. It is currently 10:45. It starts at 11, so we're on time. Day in the life. Okay everybody, so I'm officially set up for class. I got my headphones on so that I could be in the library and hear clearly without interrupting other people in their study rooms. And yeah, I'm probably gonna get called on today to do my case. I'm ready, I'm prepared. Class starts in 9 minutes. I feel good that I got here enough to like get myself situated, and it's gonna be a good class. Me, and I'm gonna start with the facts of the case. Okay, so in this case, it was about a mother who was the plaintiff and she gave up her daughter, her daughter for adoption, and the only people who knew was the doctor, her mother, and herself. He was aware that this was confidential as they sealed all the documents, and years later, the daughter went searching for her mother and he gave her information. He lied in a sense that he told her that the mother had a problem and that she was going to be able to get medical information that would reveal who she was to give to the daughter through his lie, which is how they were able to obtain those records. And the daughter ended up finding her mom and it caused her severe emotional distress among other claims, to where she sued the estate because the physician passed away at that point. 2 of the claims were, well, they were all denied at first at the trial level, and then she appealed and 2 of the claims were able to move forward, which was a breach of privacy and a breach of confidence. So the issue is whether or not the physician could have been liable for revealing information without consent through their relationship of a physician and a patient. And that's my point. Okay, y'all, so I really want to go get food, but I'm so scared to give up my parking spot. Like, the parking lot out here don't be having no spaces. And I already know when I come back, I might be putting myself in a bad situation because I already see people hunting for a parking spot right now to where I'm like, do I really want to go? But yes, I do. Yes, I do. I'm hungry. I can't be sitting here just because I'm not going to my parking spot when I come back. But I should also empty my backpack right now before my next class so that my back isn't dying. Also, I just want to really put some of you guys on game because I really feel like some people don't realize that school is powerful when they're young, and then as they get older they might regret some of the choices they made when they were younger, or they just feel like they can't go back and correct their decisions they made academically. And I just want you to know that if you didn't get your high school diploma, if you have a GED and you want a high school diploma, go to Forest Trail Academy. I'm gonna put the link in my description, and I really believe in this company. Not only is it my family's company, but my mom is an educator and she's the reason why I got to where I have gotten to in life. I skipped from 7th to 9th grade. I early admitted I dual enrolled, and she's very passionate about education and people's lives. There is payment plans to where you can pay for your school since it is a private online school. And yeah, she offers a program that basically gives you the opportunity to be able to get your high school diploma. Does not matter how old you are. You could be in your 20s, you could be in your 30s. You have no reason to feel shame about not getting your diploma. You have an opportunity to do it, and I say do it. You never know what doors it can open. And yeah, that's just a shout out to my mother. That's a shout out to her school. But also, y'all, I'm about to mess up this burrito. But last class of the day, I'm glad it at least ends with the professor I enjoy. So it's like I stay engaged more just because I like her. Like, literally, I'm biased. Thank you. Amira, I'm gonna need you to follow back on Instagram, man. Your time has expired. Your time has expired now. So that's so weird. I made a law account just for the law students. I do it for post-graduation, like knowing other attorneys in the field, people, seeing what's out there, what's going on. This is literally gonna be my law. You wanna be in it? You wanna be on YouTube? Can I make my first? Yes, make your appearance. Oh my, if you tell your mom to watch this video, she might see you. I'm gonna tell my mom. See, it's good because then that means you could actually be my real YouTube vlog, which I have a real camera. I'm kind of nervous. No, it's a good thing because like it's just us. I like it. But it'd be weird. Like, I have my camera.
What'd you eat? Where'd you get food?
I went to Moe's.
That sounds so good. The one at University?
Yeah.
My boyfriend loves that.
He does? Have you ever seen, like...
Should I say I'm your friend?
Yeah. Okay, guys, so the girl you met in the video, that was Lindsay, and she is the law friend that I be referring to that I also have. So I'm glad you guys met her. I did get cold called today in real estate transactions, and I was just like... But... it was a good day. I have a heavy weekend in front of me to catch up, to really get this material down through my head, and to start keeping up with school. The first week is done, and after that, teachers have expectations for you, and yeah, there's no excuses. So thank you guys for watching my video. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Welcome to a day in the life of a law student and the next generation of future attorneys. Bye.